Okay, viewers, welcome back to Ray's Way. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to clean this Haze dot plastic headlight. And we're going to use some steel wool and maybe spray some WD-40 on there. You see, people using toothpaste and lime juice and with baking powder, lemon and baking powder, and rub it all on there. Hey, we'll see what we can do here. You never know. Right here, so we got a pretty fogged out windshield, pretty fogged out headlight here, and we got some steel wool. This is like a 0 or something, and so it's real fine. We'll see what happens. We'll spray a little bit of WD-40 on just for, well, we may not even spray it because there's not that much in here. We'll just see how this works, if at all. We'll just see how this works. This is a big ass headlamp.
It's an awkward shape too when you're trying to get it out.
All we're really doing is getting the oxidized plastic off.
You want another spritz?
I don't think there's any more in there. No, there's plenty in here. It's real smooth. That's why WD-40, we're just using it as a wetting device.
We'll do a comparison maybe. Yeah, this one's real fogged. I mean, there's nothing really you can do with older headlights. Don't look at the chips. Maybe that did a little something.
I'm sure if you just keep doing it, eventually going to get through all the different oxidized layers.
I can actually see where it's clear down there.
Well, the edges here you show it's all clear.
Yeah.
What it used to be. Now, if you put this on the
Go back to 2008.
You put this on a,
See,
you see what's coming off of there. So you put this on a, some kind of sander, orbital sander or something like that. It will come off real quick.
Yeah, I got those round sander discs, a bunch of different sets and sizes and sponges and shit that all hook into your drill gun.
But you need a real fine
grit.
Coarse. You don't want to like put 80 grit in it. You'll be ripping it apart.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Okay, viewers, just to let you know, it's a myth. Nothing's going to come. That's not going to get cleaned up, or you're not going to get that oxidized plastic clean unless you sand it and buff it. Okay, so we did some compound here, some plastic compound on a little buffer wheel. After I did scuff it up with the steel wool and some finer 400 grit paper. Now, generally you want to go higher, like 1,000, 800, 2,000. I mean, you can really get that nice and pretty clean. But hell, it's good for what it is. And if you put more time and effort into it, I'm sure you'll get a nice polished finish. But hey, this is just a real quick hit. See what it looked like. It's all good to go.
Yeah, right here. All in all, just some minor things that you can do to touch up your car. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. This is a project car here at Dusty Boy Enterprise. We have a lot of different vehicles we mess with, so it's just a throwaway. Probably get rid of this later.
You can check Dusty Boy out on Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. No, not Snapchat. TikTok. All right. Thanks for joining in. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.